In a medical malpractice case, during a doctor's pretrial deposition, why would I ever ask him if his license has ever been suspended or revoked? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Okay, so you sued your doctor claiming that he was careless, causing you significant harm and injury. Your doctor denies all of your allegations. And now, during the course of your lawsuit, I will have an opportunity to question your doctor, whom you have sued, in a process known as a pretrial deposition. That's really a question and answer session that's given under oath in the doctor's attorney's office. Now, you should know there's no judge there. There's no jury when this happens. Only I am there, the doctor is there, the doctor's attorney is there, and a court stenographer, we also call them a court reporter, is there as well. And the court stenographer is there to record all of my questions and all of the doctor's answers. And the reason is, they put those questions and answers together, they transcribe it, and turn it into a booklet. And the answers that the doctor gives in response to my questions is really the doctor's sworn testimony. And you should know it carries the same exact weight as if he is testifying at the time of trial. So now the question I raise in this video is, can I ask the doctor whether his license to practice medicine has ever been suspended or has ever been revoked? And the answer is, yes, I can. I want to know that information. Why? Because it will affect the doctor's credibility. If the doctor's license has been suspended, now I get to ask him why it was suspended. What did he do to prompt the New York State Department of Health to suspend his license for a period of time? Or if his license was revoked for a period of time. Likewise, I will now have the opportunity to ask the doctor, what were the circumstances surrounding why the New York State Department of Health revoked your medical license for a period of time? Now, you should know something very interesting. I will know the answers to those questions before I ever walk in to the doctor's attorney's office. Why is that significant? Because I want to know if the doctor is going to contradict himself. If he denies that his license was ever revoked, I can now actually confront him and say, Doctor, isn't it true that on December 1st, your license was revoked by the New York State Department of Health for a period of 3 years? Oh, well. And now he can try and explain it away. On the other hand, as a key strategy for this particular case and trying to destroy the doctor's credibility, I can now use that to ambush the doctor at the time of trial when I cross-examine him when your case gets to trial. Now, there are different strategies about why we would want to either confront the doctor during his pretrial testimony with that contradiction or wait until the time of trial. One strategy about using that information to contradict the doctor may be to alert his attorney to the fact that the doctor has now lied, to alert his insurance company, his medical malpractice insurance company, to the fact that the doctor has now lied. Because honestly, his own attorney may not know this information. His medical malpractice insurance carrier may not be aware of this contradiction or about the fact that his license was revoked in the past. All of that information may actually help to try and trigger and get settlement negotiations going before we ever get to trial. On the other hand, there may be key reasons why we want to keep that information close to us and not disclose it until we get to trial. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I do recognize and I do understand that you're likely watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if you have not yet started a lawsuit and your matter did happen here in New York and you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.